San Roque, Tarlac City to gather and to tackle about public speaking. And we have our lovely guests right here on the side of this room. But before that, I'm gonna introduce myself first. So my name is Ashley. And I am your host for today. How about we start this with the biggest round of applause for rinig naman ang isang malakas na Alright! So now, since I already introduced myself, let us proceed with our lovely guest. Our first guest is gonna be Candice Mandaban! Woo! Alright! How are you today?
I'm fine.
Alright, let's proceed with our second guest, Jasmine Ayala. Okay, how are you? How are you?
Okay lang po.
Wow! Sweet! Alright, that's so many piece of you. So now, let us introduce our third lovely guest, Rash Joy Sakilayan! How are you feeling today?
Feeling great.
Wow! Feeling right, not left. Alright. So now, last but not the least, the birthday girl. Yes! Let's please welcome Maria Sofia Luanza! Alright, happy birthday to you. Belated happy birthday. How are you feeling today?
Maganda pa rin.
Wow! That is so
Grabe!
true. So, now guys, since we're already here, we're gonna tackle about our experiences on public speaking. Alam niyo ba guys kung ano yung gagawin natin today? Do you guys have any idea?
Hindi. Wala po ate. Wala po ate.
Okay, if that's the case, I'm gonna explain it to you. Okay? So now, guys,
Huwag mo na kasi pahirapan, mag-Tagalog ka na.
Ito na, magtatagal na ako. So guys, ang gagawin natin for today, for this podcast, magtatackle tayo. Magtatackle tayo about our...
Sorry.
So pag-usapan natin ang aming mga experiences sa public speaking. So, who wants to go first?
Ikaw.
Yung birthday girl.
I feel like it's the birthday girl,
Yes,
right?
it's the birthday girl.
Right.
Oh my God.
Right.
It's
Yeah.
easy.
Right?
Yeah.
What's this? 6, 7!
Go.
Alright, so I'm gonna ask you this question, and I'm also gonna ask this for the rest of the lovely guests right here. So, the question is, drum roll please! What is your most memorable experience in public speaking? Your timer starts now.
Over naman, Miss Universe yun.
So, yung pinaka-memorable experience ko when it comes to public speaking, siguro nung grade 10 ako. Ano yun? Impromptu speech siya. Tapos, 3-minute speech.
Oh my God.
Tapos, syempre ikaw, kinakabahan kayo. Normal lang naman impromptu, kinakabahan kayo. Wala kayong idea at anything at all. Tapos, turn ko na yan. Tapos, mayroon kasi doon 2 pass. So, sa 50 kami, 50 plus. Tapos, may 2 pass lang. So, sobrang swerte mo na pag nabunot mo yon. Then, ako na. Kinakabahan ako, syempre. Tapos, nung bubunot na ako, yung nabunot ko pass.
You know? What a swerte. Lucky girl. Lucky girl.
experience.
Tapos yun siguro yung pinaka-memorable ko kasi nun, sabi ko pag kinabahan ako dito, wala na naman mental block na ako. Since impromptu speech yun, pag wala akong nasagot, wala na tuloy sa meeting. So, as the moment yun pa lang. Tapos more on nung senior high na ako, wala na kami sa public speaking since graduate ako ng UMS.
You know?
Yes.
What a lovely experience. Yes. Sobrang swerte niya.
Yes.
Swerte lang ako sa malas niya.
At
Swerte siya sa swerte. Two. True. Dahil dyan, kakantahan natin siya ng golden. 3, 2, 1. We're going up, up, up. Okay, so the next guest that we will ask is, drum roll please, Jasmine Ayala! Okay, Jasmine Ayala, same question. What is your most memorable experience in public speaking? Your timer starts now.
Sa akin, sa exam.
Oh my God!
Wala pa.
Yung exam natin,
Yung midterm.
Okay.
kasi, to do review ako noon. Nung gabi yun, tapos nung nagsasagot ako, confident ako sa mga sagot ko. Tapos nung checking na, nalaman ko yung score ko, hindi na nga siya pasado, na minus ang tabi. Siguro yun yung yung best memorable sa
Best.
sa public.
Sa sobrang review niya, nakalimutan na niya magbasa ng instruction.
True.
Excited na siya magsagot eh.
Sobrang-
Excited na siya magsagot.
Sobrang
Hindi ko
dami
naman
ng
nasulat sa gilid
Diba?
Ini-circle mo kasi. di
Sino
ba?
kasi mag-circle?
Sinong mag-circle?
Sinabi na nga. So
Okay.
guys, that's why.
So guys, that's why you need to follow instructions and listen to your teacher and read the exam before you take it.
Tama.
Okay, ayun.
Yes.
Lesson learned na sa akin.
Lesson learned. So ang advice ko lang sa iyo is don't. Okay, let's go. Alright, so the next guest is gonna be Res Joy Sakilayan. Alright, so Res Joy Sakilayan, same question. What is the most memorable experience in public speaking? Your timer starts now. Yeah, alright.
Well, I guess.
Hindi ko yan.
English error.
Actually, most memorable ko sa public speaking, siguro yung na-stage fright ako nung
Stage fright!
Kasi diba, nag-Mr. and Miss, ano nga ba yan? Getmark. So, syempre, grabe ang experience ng OAT na itich. Like, nung nandun kami, like yung naka-layer na kami doon, sobra ang kaba ng taong itich. Like, sobra. Yung mga nabisado ko, di ba, nagkabisado pa ako. Sinabi ko na lang sa utak ko, sana hindi ko na lang kinabisado. Pero alam mo yun, lesson learned doon sa part na yun, I have my lesson naman for that eh.
Lesson for that naman.
Okay, sa English.
Well, natutunan ko naman doon magmahal. Nang sariling sagot.
Oh my God.
Embrace your own answer.
Yeah.
Huwag kang matatakot na i-express yung sarili mo. Lalo na kung alam mong galing naman sa puso at isipan mo.
Yes.
At saka, don't overcome the stage fright eh. Sabi nga,
Overcome the stage fright.
yes!
Don't over.
Tama niyo, overcome it. Tama eh.
That's part of our,
Yeah, that's normal.
Normal. Stage
Don't judge the book by its cover.
Yeah.
Diba? So,
Sige na.
what I mean lang is, kumbaga, huwag kang masyado magpapatalo sa nervyos mo tsaka sa mga taong nasa paligid mo.
Yes.
Kasi wala naman silang masasabi sa iyo eh.
Yeah.
Tao yan, syempre
And
judgment
You
yan.
can also convert it into positive
Positive.
nervousness.
True.
Yes.
Hindi nakikita ang nervyos.
Ah!
100!
Perfect.
Perfect.
Okay.
So, yun lang yung pinaka-most memorable of my life about public speaking. Thank you very, very much!
Alright. So, that is a very lovely experience for Rash because we witnessed that of how nervous she is, but she still managed to. Let's move forward to the next guest, which is none other than Candice Mandapa! Alright, so Candice Mandapa, same what is your most memorable experience in public speaking? Your timer starts now.
Alright, guys. So, way back then.
Way back then!
So, way back then, I was baptized and like, we need to share testimonies since wala pa ako experience sa testimony, especially sa impromptu. Like, mahina ako sa impromptu, lalo na hindi ako ganun ka, hindi ako pabilis makaprocess ng question. So, nangyari doon, so, syempre, nandun yung mga sinanay ko, si mother-in-law.
Sana all!
Tapos, andun din siya. So, syempre, nabaptize ako, tapos pag-share ng testimony ko niyan, tapos iniisip ko na, siguro i-fake ko na lang yung testimony ko, ganyan. Pero nasa spot na ako na, nasa gitna ako, and then, kasi nakakaya naman kung may babasahin, di ba? So, dapat talaga galing sa, natin. Yes. So, yun na nga, nagbigay na ang testimony ko, ganyan. Tapos nung nasa kalagitnaan ako, bigla akong umiyak.
Oh my God. Why? Why did you
Grabe
cry?
plot
Bakit?
Ewan ko siguro, like, shinare ko kasi yung mga past experience ko na, like, dati kasi parang nagiging rebelde ako, pero hindi naman to the point na rebelde na, ano yung ganyan. Parang napalapit ako sa, sa mga, ano kasing tawag doon? Like, bad influence. That's correct! You are correct.
Pasa.
Na-influence pa naman, pero slight na lang. So, ayun guys, dapat kapag nag-testimony kayo, ano kasi tawag peer testimony? Like, kasing ano yun? Yung parang expert ka na dapat.
Yes.
Tsaka dapat alam mo yung sasabihin mo, ang
To know
pagkakasunod.
what you're gonna
Yes.
talk about.
Ayun lang guys, and it's okay to cry or
Yes.
express your emotions.
Kasi that
about-
just means na nanggaling talaga sa'yo.
Okay lang yun guys, kung maiyak kayo kapag nagbibigay kayo ng speech, ng testimony, as long as sincere siya. Yun lang naman yung experience ko.
Okay, perfect. That is very lovely and very overwhelming and
How about you? What's your
Oh my God! And finally,
Yes.
the one and only your host, Ashley, is gonna give her experience or most memorable experience. Most memorable experience in public speaking. So, I think the most memorable experience for me sa public speaking, none other than the debate. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God talaga, bes! Yun lang ang masasabi ko, oh my God! Because that is my first time debating. Ayoko pa nun eh. Ayoko talaga. Sabi nila, pili kayo ng tatlo na magde-debate.
Ayaw.
Ayaw. Nag-ano kami sa contemporaries. Nag-report. Pagbalik ko sa upuan ko, sabi nila, ikaw na daw magde-debate. Kailan pa natin napag-usapan na ako yung magde-debate, na kayo lang yung nagde-desisyon. Di ba? Okay, wag sila, wag. So guys, yun lang kasi nakakatag talaga ako, bes. Kasi first time ko mag-debate, eh. Kaya sabi ko pa, nagda-doubt pa ako sa sarili. Sabi ko, baka wala akong masagot. Baka tumunga nga lang ako dun, what if mental ba ako? Siyempre, madaming what if dun. Tapos nung nandun na ako sa spot na yun, parang yung nervousness ko, yun nga yung sinasabi ko. Na-turn siya into positive nervousness. Kaya nakasagot ako ng konting-konti lang naman, pero nakasagot ako. Tapos nung ako nabibigay na ako ng conclusion ko, di na ako kinabahan. Di na ako kinabahan. Kasi nga, na-turn ko na siya into positive nervousness. Okay. So that's the lesson learned, guys. That it's okay to be nervous in your first
normal,
time.
diba?
Because it's normal. It's your feelings.
True.
It's normal to feel nervous. It's normal to
Stage fright.
stage fright. Yes. Tapos, basta, just remember, you don't need to be perfect.
Yes.
Nasa ano yan? Nasa
Nasa
PPT ni Mami yan.
yan.
You don't need
To
to be perfect. Yun lang.
Practice, practice, practice.
Yes. O,
Tama.
diba?
Prepare,
Prepare.
Yes.
Yun lang. Yun yung ano guys, yun yung like pinakalasan talaga before you do public speaking. Basta yung mga, ano yun? Yung mga nasa PPT, yung steps how to become overcome. Yun. So yun lang guys, so yun yung mga memorable experiences namin sa public speaking. So we do hope that you guys learn
Learn something from us.
from us on this podcast. So, before we end this podcast, guys, do you want to say or like something na parang makukuha nila isa-isa sa atin? Like, learnings.
Yes.
Okay, let's start with the birthday girl.
Yun, tulad nga na sabi ko
Meron pa yan,
kanina,
meron pa yan.
nervousness is normal, but palagi nyo isipin na hindi nila nakikita yon, which is nararamdaman mo lang. So, kailangan mo siyang i-overcome para hindi mahalata. Kasi pag hindi mo na-overcome, makikita, mahahalata nila eh. So, yun yung pinaka-lesson when it comes to magpa-public speaking ka. Basta isipin nyo lang normal din. Kasi kung ikaw kinakabahan din sila. Normal lang yun. Lahat tayo naman kinakabahan. At lalo na kung first time mo.
Yes. Perfect. What a great lesson. Oresh, ikaw may masasabi ka pa, Resh? Okay, thank you so much, Resh.
Teka. Yan, yung about sa stage fright, huwag kayong matatakot. Sabi nga niya, di ba, yung about sa nervousness, sa akin sa stage fright, huwag lang kayong matakot. Kaya niyan. Laging mag-practice. Practice makes perfect. Pero hindi naman lahat perfect.
Perfect.
Pero isipin mo lang,
Perfect ka.
perfect ka.
Perfect! Ako, wala na akong masasabi kasi sinasabi na nila. Thanks.
Ano po sa akin? So, since ikaw connect ko siya sa sinabi mo kanina, be who you are.
Yun na. Be who you are!
So, maging totoo kayo sa sarili nyo. Lalo na pag nagbibigay kayo ng speech nyo.
Yeah.
Kasi yun yung isang requirement para maging eloquent ka. Eloquent or yung pagiging professional sa public speaking.
Yes.
Meron
Very
pa
well
tawag
said.
isa doon. Yung pasamang
Eloquence.
eloquence. And
Epithets.
so, ayun guys, maging totoo sa sarili. Huwag maging peke. Okay,
Be yourself.
Next.
Don't be fake.
Sa akin naman, nasabi na nila lahat. Sa situation mo na nangyari sa akin, masasabi ko lang doon is lesson learned na yung
Magbasa ng
instruction! Kahit maganda nakakalusan sa mga sagot mo,
Hindi ka
Huwag muna.
nagbasa.
basahin mo talaga isa. Yun lang! Thank you!
Alright! So now guys, that's gonna be the end of our podcast. We do hope that you enjoyed watching this. And we do hope that you learned a lot. So, let's do our intro.